Are you planning a vacation to a warm climate? I think there are just a few things that just about everybody would want to have with them because it will serve you so very well when you are on vacation to one of those warmer climates. And I'm saving the very best for last, so be sure to hang out to the end of the video. Hey y'all, my name's Lori. Thanks so much for being here. Let's get started. Now, most of us spend a lot of time thinking about what we're going to pack to go on vacation. But when we get there, we still find that we wish we would have had something that we probably don't have with us. And of course, the very best way to prevent this from happening is to pack with a plan. So if you haven't picked up my free packing planner worksheets yet, I will link them down below. They're absolutely free. You can pick those up and that will help you pack with a plan so you don't find yourself in this situation. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about today that I think every woman is gonna wanna pack with her to any warm climate destination is a white linen button-up shirt. And this is my favorite from Banana Republic. It is just so incredibly useful. Like, you can wear the shirt with anything. You can wear it with pants, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it as a swimsuit cover up, you can wear it over a dress or a tank top as a light layer. Like, there are just so many uses for this thing. I'm telling you, the opportunities to look great in a white linen button-up shirt are absolutely endless when you're on vacation or, just about any other time as well. If you're going to be in a warmer climate and still want to be covered up, linen is absolutely the way to go. So be sure to carry a white button-up next time you travel. You will not be sorry you did. The next thing I think you should always travel with to a warmer climate is a pair of linen pants. And no surprise, I have several. I always pack one pair of linen pants when I'm going on a summer vacation or to any trip to a really warm climate. And that's just simply because linen allows you to cover yourself, but still have complete airflow all the way around your body. And that's what you need to stay cool. Sometimes it's just so much cooler to keep the sun off of your skin, even if it's in lightweight linen, than it is to have bare skin exposed. So in my experience, I have found that wearing linen pants can actually be much cooler and much more comfortable than wearing a pair of shorts with all the skin of my legs exposed. I have three main go-to pairs of linen pants. One is a black linen trouser, one is a navy blue linen jogger, and then I have these white linen joggers that I have on today, because I do live in a hot, humid climate. So linen pants is something I wear all the time, and I think it is something you absolutely should include in your packing list anytime you're going on vacation to a warm, hot, humid place. Now, the next thing I'm going to recommend you take with you anytime you travel to a warm climate can be found in linen, but doesn't have to be linen. In fact, the one I'm going to show you today isn't even linen at all. It's just simply a leisure set. Now, I have a couple of leisure sets to choose from, and right now the one I'm really wanting to carry with me most of the time is this black set right here. It is a textured knit set, but it's a very fine texture and a very fine knit, so it's not chunky or really overly warm, but it's something that's really cozy and comfortable that I can throw on in the morning when I need to run downstairs and get a cup of coffee, but I don't want to fully get dressed for my day, and feel completely confident that I am appropriate for the circumstance. Now, this set also doubles as my yoga wear when I am traveling, because I do like to carry travel on only, and I am somebody who really enjoys putting together outfits. Even when I travel, I don't carry a lot of yoga specific clothing. So having this leisure set that I can wear for yoga and also run down and grab a cup of coffee in the morning without getting dressed for my day is something that I have found to be incredibly useful. The leisure set is not something you might always think to carry with you, but it's something you'll be so glad you have when you get there. Now, the next item that is an absolute must-have whenever I travel to a warm climate is a really comfortable but still cute pair of sandals. Let me show you why I absolutely love these Bionic sandals. They have a suede footbed, which means even if your foot sweats, you don't start sliding around in your shoe, because I hate that. I never want my foot sliding in my shoe. I think that feels so incredibly gross. So I can appreciate the suede footbed that keeps that from happening. But these are also cute. They come in a cute leather finish with a little strap around the ankle, and they have a little bit of a heel, but it's a cork heel, so it's super comfortable. It's very cushy. It has this heel cup, which helps you to stay very stable in your shoe, and a lot of arch support. So if you're somebody like me who has a high arch in their foot and you still want to wear a cute shoe and you're going to be walking for miles and miles and miles, day after day after day, these Bionic sandals might be a great choice for you as well, because they offer great support. They're super comfortable and they're still cute. Here we are, the most important thing that I want you to take with you every single time you travel to one of those warmer destinations. And that is simply a swimsuit. That's right, a swimsuit. I don't care if it's a two-piece, if it's a one-piece, if it's a swim skirt, a tankini, whatever. But carry a swimsuit with you. And when you get there, wear the swimsuit. That's right, just wear the swimsuit. You have a body. When you put it in a swimsuit and take it to the beach, you've got the perfect beach body. Because people you love don't care what you look like in your swimsuit. And people that love you don't care what you look like in your swimsuit. What they care is that you are actively engaged, present in the moment, enjoying your time with them on the beach or in the pool or wherever you might be in your swimsuit. Just wear the swimsuit. You have the perfect body for a swimsuit, trust me. Don't even worry about what other people you don't even know might or might not be thinking of you in the swimsuit, because let me promise you this, I am almost 100% sure they're not thinking of you in the swimsuit at all, because they're worried about what they look like in their swimsuit. And I want them to know they've got the perfect body for a swimsuit as well. So if no other information from this video appeals to you at all, that's okay. Let this swimsuit piece sit with you. You have the perfect body for a swimsuit. Wear the damn swimsuit and enjoy your life. So these are the things that I always take with me when I'm out traveling when in a warm, I can't get it out. So these are the things that I always carry with me when I am out traveling to a warmer climate. A white button-down long sleeve linen top, a pair of linen pants in whatever style of linen pants appeals to you, a leisure set that you can leisure in and also do yoga in if you happen to be into yoga, a comfortable, supportive pair of sandals that is still really cute, and a swimsuit. Drop down into the comments and let me know which one of these things you always carry with you, but also let me know which one of these things you never carry with you. I want to hear all about that. Let's chat. If you've enjoyed the few minutes we've spent together and want to hang out again from time to time, I do hope you will consider subscribing to the channel, but only if you want to. If you want to subscribe, I would love it. I like it. But if you don't want to subscribe, don't worry about it. I don't mind at all. It's really not that big of a deal anyway. Whether you're subscribed or not, you have an open invitation to come back and hang out anytime you like, because I will be here, either right here in this room making videos or, somewhere out in the world making videos, but I'm going to be making videos. I would love it if you have a few more minutes to hang out today if we hang out in this video here. If not, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.